When you're out on the trail, it's not just about your rig and your adventure. You're sharing the trail with other drivers, hikers, bikers, and the environment itself. That's where trail etiquette comes in. Following a few simple rules keeps everyone safe, protects our access to trails, and makes off-roading a better experience for everyone. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 trail etiquette rules every off-roader should follow. So rule number 1, stay on designated trails. It might be tempting to cut your own line, go around obstacles, or create a bypass, but doing that damages the environment and can actually get trails shut down for everyone. Definitely do not cut down trees to make a new path. If there is a fallen tree in a designated trail, that's a different story. Cut it, drag it out of the trail, and create a clean path. The rule is simple: tread lightly and stick to established trails. If an obstacle looks too tough for your setup, it's better to just turn around than to tear up the terrain. Next, we're going to talk about sharing the trail. When you're out on the trail, remember you're not the only one enjoying it. Trails are often shared with hikers, bikers, horseback riders, and of course other off-roaders. Here are a few key things to keep in mind. Number 1, yield to non-motorized users. Always slow down and give plenty of space when passing hikers, bikers, or horseback riders. Engines can spook animals, so shut off your rig if the horse seems nervous. Uphill has the right of way. If you meet another vehicle on the hill, the one going downhill should yield. It's much harder for the uphill driver to get moving again if they stop. Be courteous on narrow trails. If you're in a group, pull over and let smaller groups or solo rigs pass when it's safe. The goal is to keep the trail flowing smoothly for everyone. The next thing is respecting trail users' experience. Not everyone is out there for the same reason you are. A quick wave, nod, or smile goes a long way in keeping the community welcoming. Another thing is making yourself visible. On dusty trails or dunes, running a chase light or a brightly colored safety flag helps other drivers see you before they're on top of you. This is especially important in groups, blind corners, or when visibility is low. At the end of the day, sharing the trail comes down to respect and safety. Treat others how you would want to be treated, and everyone gets to have a good time. Imagine hitting the trails in this built 2022 4Runner and $10,000 in your pocket. Well, now's your chance to make it a reality. Head over to the site. Every $1 that you spend is going to be one entry, and that single dollar could be the start to your next adventure. The clock is ticking. The giveaway ends November 10th, 2025. Click the link down below for all the details. Now let's get back to the video. Another thing is controlling your speed. Off-roading isn't about how fast you get through the trail. Going too fast could cause damage to your rig, damage the trail, and can put others at risk. Keep it slow and steady, especially around blind corners, campsites, or when you're passing others. Another rule is to be prepared and self-sufficient. That means carrying recovery gear, tools, food, water, and communication equipment. Don't rely on others to bail you out if you get stuck or break down. Now, that doesn't mean people won't help. Off-roaders are usually great about lending a hand, but good etiquette is being ready to handle your own problems first. The last rule we're going to talk about is pack it in, pack it out. Whatever you bring on the trail, trash, food wrappers, bottles, take it back with you. If you see trash that isn't yours, pick it up anyway. Leaving trails cleaner than you found them is the best way to make sure they stay open and enjoyable for the next group. So those are the 5 rules of trail etiquette every off-roader should follow. Stay on designated trails, share the trail, control your speed, be prepared, and pack it in, pack it out. Off-roading is all about having fun and exploring, but it also is about respect for the trail, for other people, and for the community. If you got value from this video, check out our gear at Xpedition.com, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which trail etiquette rule you think is the most important. We'll see you on the next one. I see a Corona bottle over there I'm gonna pick up.